Turn up on the salon that did her hair like that.
I don't get it.
Go back. Try again, boo-boo. Try again, boo-boo.
Fucking camp, I swear to God.
Louder.
They always camping. Like, look at this kid. He just tried to blow me up with a grenade and he's camping. Oh my fucking God. If he snipes me, I swear to fucking God. Fuck that. Fuck this fucking noise. Scare these fucking campers. Hello?
Louder.
You working overnight? Again? Alright, make sure you call me in the morning. Yeah, the house is clean, garbage is out, dishes is washed. Yeah, I did my homework. Love you too. Bye. Got free kids tonight. We got free kids.
I don't do this for the motherfucking rapper. I do this for the ratchets.
Mommy now, we back, big shout, run that way, let's run that way. Point to the right and ride that way. Point to the left and ride that way. I'ma take it best, I'ma leave. This ain't like this. They get it done, I'ma stay right here, girl. We can have a one night stand right here now. Ride that wave like a surfer for. They only give you a little you deserve for. Left, right, up, down, work, girl. I'ma dance on me, I said work, girl. Now drop it, then pop it, then you dip it, and then you do the split and work it, jerk it. Show them that you the shit. That's all. You the best one. That's why that way you came here for. Point to the left and ride that way. Point to the right and ride that way. Hands on your knees, look over your shoulder. Use that donkey back, use that dog back. Hands on your knees, look over your shoulder. Push that donkey back, now push that dog back. Make it drop, let it move away. Back it up, make it jump or crazy. Drop to the floor real low, split real low. Bring it up, slow. Back, let it move and again. To get real hot on the girl.
Look what I found, Tom.
Yeah, we got the keys. We out, we got the keys.
Yeah, bro, we got the whip.
We got the whip. You alright?
Mommy not home either.
Hey, no, mommy not. Where mommy not home? What you trying to do?
Yeah, we should go pick up them bitches.
Where are you trying? I'm not fucking with them bitches.
Mommy not home.
You trying? Where? Fuck it, YOLO.
Yeah, I'm trying to stop at Planet Wing. Shit, nigga, we ain't got no gas.
Oh shit, son. You no gas? How much money you got?
How much money you got? Nigga, I got 5 cents.
I don't got shit. I'm broke. YOLO, fuck it.
He ratchet.
I think that's close enough for the gas tank, right?
Yeah, it's good. Let me get that money. Money, you bet only got 5 cents?
He ratchet.
Yeah.
Fuck it, YOLO. you doing today? Can I get 5 cent what pump is that? What pump is that? 3? Alright. Alright.
Oh shit, mommy home. Oh shit. Clean up, hurry up, clean up. Oh shit! Mommy home. Get down here, do these dishes, mop this floor, and sweep. And this garbage is full. Y'all stay here all day. What you say? I heard you. Don't get your ass beat.
Oh, hi, Mom. What you doing home?
You came home a little early, Mom.
Yeah, you did come home a little early. I'm just
Helping me with my homework.
I'm just helping him with his homework, you know? Just helping him.
Serve teams the fucking crew. Yes. Hating me? Shit, I would too. I brag a bit, cause I bagged your bitch, and I bring her back in a few. Whoa. I sold my soul to the game. Really? Talking about 360. Bitch sucking my neck. But those taps cover those hickeys. Molly's bring the newest out. Really be my newest hoe. You getting pussy, it must be no. You bragging about my oldest hoe. Yeah, I'm still hitting that on the low. Don't be mad at me, bro. She picked me like my fucking bro. Boy, bass God.